Good evening, everybody. Welcome. This is going to be the Panini Mosaic NFL Cello Box, break number 705. Auctions ending Thursday, December the 3rd. We'll get it going in about 20 or 30 seconds. There's a lot of unwrapping and unpacking, and so it takes a couple minutes before we actually see any cards for this break. We had a pretty good break yesterday. In this product, we pulled 3 Justin Herbert cards, a Genesis Jalen Reagor NFL debut, a Tennessee Jonnu Smith autograph. So it was pretty good yesterday. Hopefully we can keep it going. Pulled another Genesis and a nice auto and get Tua and Joe Burrow involved, hopefully. We are sold out. Everybody paid as well on time. Thank you again for that. Did not have to chase anybody down or anything. Everyone was really great about paying. Always appreciated. And let's get unwrapping and see what we got going tonight. Got 6 viewers. I'm sure we'll pick up a few more. We had quite a few people. They bought multiple teams, so we might not get as many viewers today as we've been getting in the past couple days. But hopefully we have good luck. That's the key. And then we have another box we are breaking tomorrow night, as well as Sunday, or I should say Saturday night. And then we're going to take a couple days off from this product, but we're doing other breaks as well. We got football jerseys and Panini Prism Racing. We've got WWE Finest coming, hopefully next week. That's a brand new product for you wrestling fans. We're doing UFC Striking Signatures. That break will be Tuesday. That's a cool break. We did one of those last week. We're doing another one Tuesday. Those auctions just started tonight and they'll end Tuesday. So it's one of my favorite products, actually. Every box just contains one encased autograph card. So it goes pretty quick. And there's obviously no duds. It's all encased autographs. Get your black. The black packs contain all the pink cards, and then the normal packs are the regular cards, and hopefully Genesis and autos and things like that. Mosaics. So we'll do the bigger regular packs first, and we'll do the pink at the end. All right, good luck, everybody. There's a good spoiler right there. Congratulations, Miami. Hopefully he plays Sunday. I heard he might play. Like to watch those young guys play as much as we can. Get that experience for next year. Take it to the next level. Wow, there's another good spoiler. All right. Everybody's quiet today. No requests, no cheering. General commentary. All right, it's our first stack. We'll see what we got in there. I think it's going to be a good one. Okay. Got the Vikings, Dalvin Cook, Cam Chancellor, Matthew Stafford, Cole Beasley, Howie Long, Silver Mosaic, Laviska Shenault Jr., rookie, Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, Amari Cooper, Aaron Donald Green, Aaron Rodgers, insert, nice Tua NFL debut. First Tua hit. Congratulations, Miami. First break ever. Wow. What teams you got? Put that Tua up there. Hopefully he has a lot of company. Rob Gronkowski, Mike Evans, Roquan Smith, Jordy Nelson silver, Peyton Manning, Deshaun Watson, Devontae Parker, Steve Young, Tre'Davious White, Carlos Hyde, David Montgomery, another Tua. Miami coming up strong. Very nice. Got an NFL debut and a base. Very nice on that Tua. Fill up that wall. Jacksonville, Robinson. Okay, we'll see what we can do for you. Good luck. Le'Veon Bell, Derwin James, Kevin King, David Montgomery, Zeke, CeeDee Lamb, rookie, Drew Brees, Landon Collins, Zeke again. There we go. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, NFL debut, silver mosaic. Nice looking card there. Congrats to KC. Got Mr. Touchdown Master Derrick Henry has been tearing it up. Oh, Joe Burrow. There we go. Joe Burrow NFL debut. Very nice. Congratulations, Cincy. Now we just need a Herbert, and we'll have the big three covered. Very early, which is great. Got Bobby Wagner, Alvin Kamara, Jarvis Landry for the Browns, and Matt Ryan. All right. Not a bad half of the first stack. We still got half of the second half to go. Oh, there we go. Tom Brady, green. Congratulations, Tampa. My boy Eric. Green Prism insert. Got Chase Young, rookie. All right. Solid and solid. Got the bus. Adam Thielen, Mark Brunell, Luke Kuechly, green. Carolina. Will DeWin, Drew Brees, Jim Kelly, Mike Allstott, Taysom Hill, Len Dawson. Got a silver Ricky Williams, Jerry Rice, Troy Aikman, Aaron Donald, George Kittle, Kelsey, Witten, Kirk Cousins, Flea Flicker with Dalvin Cook and Adam Thielen, silver Prism, Mosaic, Javon Kinlaw, Jared Cook, Yannick Ngakoue, Andre Johnson, Devin Duvernay, rookie, Baltimore, green Mosaic, Barry Sanders, Tom Brady, Randall Cunningham, Robert Woods, Allen Robinson, Tony Gonzalez, Jonathan Taylor, rookie, NFL debut, Colts, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie. All right, hitting a lot of the good rookies. Still need a Herbert. So that's the first stack. Now on the second. Pretty solid. Need some Cowboys. Need a CD Lamb. Black there. All right, see what the second stack has got for us. Hopefully it's even better than the first half. Okay, we got A.J. Brown, Marshawn Lattimore, Michael Vick, Otto, Matt Lacoste, New England, Scripps. Congratulations to the Patriots for our auto. Get that sleeved and top loaded for you. And then we got Adam Thielen, Jalen Reagor, rookie, Jalen Ramsey, Deebo Samuel, Tick Buckus, Barry Sanders green. Nice looking card there. One of the greatest of all time. Patrick Mahomes, will to win. TJ Watt, Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders, Leighton Vander Esch, Lamar Jackson, Tom Brady, got game. Antonio Gibson rookie. Cooper Kupp, Rod Woodson, Julio, AP, green for the Vikings. Flea Flicker, Saints. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, NFL debut. Another CH rookie. John Riggins, bruising running back from the 80s and late 70s. Jamal Adams, Leonard Fournette, Kareem Hunt for the Browns, having a nice year. Jerry Rice, Jalen Hurts, rookie, Eagles. Charles Woodson, Brian Dawkins, Kenny Galladay, Anthony McFarland Jr., rookie card, green. Jerry Rice, old school. Palomalo, Martin, Goff, Edwards, Jalen Reagor, green, NFL debut. We hit the Jalen Reagor NFL debut Genesis last night, so another nice Jalen Reagor we pulled. Troy Aikman, and another Jalen Reagor NFL debut base. So hitting on the Raegers seems to be our favorite player lately. All right, so that's the first half of that second stack. Let's see what we got in the second half. We got Jimmy G, Kyle Rudolph, J.J. Watt, Kyle Fuller, Donovan McNabb, upside down, Devin Duvernay, rookie, Zach Ertz, Marshall Faulk, Dak, George Kittle green, nice card, Will to Win, Daniel Jones, Jerome Bettis, Jerry Rice, Tom Brady, Calvin Ridley, Kerryon Johnson, Aaron Rodgers, Flea Flicker, McFarland, Peterson, Sapp, Mark Ingram. There you go. Baker Mayfield green. He's got a big game coming up this Sunday versus Tennessee. Nice green for the Brownies. Sanders, Jonathan Taylor, rookie, NFL debut. Cam Jordan, Mariota, Hawkinson, DJ Chark, old school Troy Aikman green for the boys. Jake Fromm, rookie, Bills. All right. That wasn't as good, I don't think, as the first stack. But hopefully we'll finish strong with the pinks. That is our goal here. Tear up this pink stack. right, see what the pinks got for us. Nick Chubb, pink, brownies. Cam Chancellor, Derek Brown, Brett Favre, Cooper Kupp, Mark Andrews, Teddy Bridgewater, Rod Woodson, Patrick Queen rookie, Anna Vinatieri, Dalvin Cook, Chase Claypool rookie, nice card there. Jordy Nelson, Derwin James, Van Jefferson rookie, Marquise Brown, Le'Veon Bell, Lamar Jackson, Chris Jones. All right, let's go. Drew Brees, Dan Marino, AJ Green, Robert Woods, Joshua Kelly rookie, Captain Comeback, Roger Staubach, Landon Collins, Lynn Bowden Jr., T.Y. Hilton, Randall Cunningham, Cole Kmet, Stephon Diggs, Yannick Ngakoue, Gabriel Davis, Christian Kirk, Jared Cook, and Jerry Rice. So unfortunately, no monster rookies in the pinks. So it's a little disappointing there, but still a solid break. Got the 2-2 as early. Joe Burrow, Matt Lacoste. Go over a few things. Some of the color. Troy Aikman, Mayfield, Kittle, Rager, Farland, Peterson, Sanders, Duvernay, Flea Flicker, Ricky Williams, Kuechly, Brady, CEH, Jordy, Aaron Donald, Howie Long. And then some of the rookies and other notables. Taylor, Duvernay, Rager, Hurts, CH, Rager, CH, Taylor, Chase Young, CeeDee Lamb, and Shenault. And then a couple Brady's, Lamar, and Patrick Mahomes insert. So that wraps us up. Again, we're doing another box tomorrow, another box Saturday night. So hopefully I'll see you guys then. Other than that, these will ship out in the next couple of days. Thanks, and hope to see you guys again soon.